In this podcast episode, Charles Duhigg, a Pulitzer Prize-winning journalist and author of bestsellers like The Power of Habit and Smarter, Faster, Better, discusses the importance of communication in combating the loneliness epidemic in the U.S. and the world. He highlights the Harvard Adult Happiness Study, which found that having meaningful connections with others can increase longevity by up to 20 years. Loneliness is equated to smoking 15 cigarettes a day, emphasizing the critical need for human connection. Duhigg explains that communication is key to forming connections with others. He mentions the Harvard Adult Happiness Study, which revealed that having twice as many meaningful relationships can significantly impact one's health and happiness. Loneliness is a major risk factor for premature death, heart disease, stroke, anxiety, depression, and dementia. Therefore, learning how to communicate effectively is crucial in addressing the loneliness epidemic. Duhigg introduces the concept of super communicators, individuals who excel at connecting with others through conversation. He emphasizes the importance of asking deep questions that delve into values, beliefs, and experiences. By understanding the different types of conversations, practical, emotional, and social, individuals can better match their communication style to the needs of the other person. Super communicators are skilled at listening, empathizing, and creating meaningful connections with others. Duhigg explains that all conversations can be categorized into three types: practical, emotional, and social. Practical conversations focus on problem solving and planning. Emotional conversations involve sharing feelings and experiences, and social conversations relate to how individuals perceive themselves in society. Understanding these distinctions can help individuals navigate conversations more effectively and build stronger relationships. Duhigg suggests that all conversations are negotiations, where the goal is not to win, but to understand the other person's perspective. By engaging in a quiet negotiation at the beginning of a conversation, individuals can establish rapport, set boundaries, and communicate effectively. Paying attention to cues, experimenting with communication styles, and being open to feedback are essential aspects of successful communication. Duhigg emphasizes that becoming a super communicator is a skill that can be learned through practice and reflection. Making mistakes, receiving feedback, and adjusting communication strategies are all part of the learning process. By being open to experimentation and willing to adapt, individuals can improve their communication skills and deepen their connection with others. Duhigg emphasizes the significance of emotional reciprocity in conversations, where vulnerability and empathy play a crucial role in building connections with others. Duhigg highlights the power of pre-show interactions in determining the success of an episode or interview, as it sets the tone for the conversation and establishes a sense of trust and understanding between individuals. The concept of making bids for connection is discussed, where individuals can create relatability by finding common interests and experiences with others. By showing genuine interest and seeking to connect on a personal level, individuals can establish a foundation for meaningful conversations and relationships. Duhigg emphasizes the importance of asking deep questions and listening actively to others, as it demonstrates a willingness to engage and connect on a deeper level. The podcast delves into the challenges of managing success and fame, as Duhigg reflects on a period of significant achievement in his career that led to feelings of pressure and self-doubt. He shares his experience of struggling with the expectations that came with success and how it impacted his communication and relationships with others. He emphasizes the importance of focusing on personal growth and continuous improvement rather than solely chasing external markers of success. The conversation also touches on the idea of self-love and inner peace, as Duhigg reflects on his own journey towards finding balance and fulfillment in his life. He discusses the importance of recognizing that the true goal is the journey itself, rather than reaching a specific destination or milestone. By prioritizing personal growth, self-awareness, and meaningful connections with others, individuals can cultivate a sense of inner peace and fulfillment in their lives. The conversation continues with Duhigg sharing his three truths. The first truth is about investing in relationships, particularly with one's spouse and children. He highlights the importance of prioritizing these close relationships and the significant returns that come from investing time and effort into them. Duhigg believes that the more you invest in your loved ones, the more it will be worth it in the long run. He stresses the value of nurturing these relationships and the impact it can have on one's overall happiness and fulfillment. The second truth Duhigg shares is the importance of betting on oneself. He reflects on his own experience of choosing a non-traditional career path after graduating from Harvard Business School and how it ultimately paid off. He encourages listeners to have confidence in themselves and take risks in pursuing their passions and goals. He believes that betting on oneself is a key factor in achieving success and fulfillment in life. Duhigg's third truth revolves around the concept of giving back. He emphasizes the idea that true wealth and richness come from giving to others rather than accumulating material possessions. He shares his personal experience of finding fulfillment and richness in life through acts of generosity and kindness. He believes that giving back not only benefits others, but also enriches one's own life and sense of purpose. In response to the three truths shared by Duhigg, the host shares his own three truths. He emphasizes the importance of living in gratitude as a key component of achieving greatness. He believes that maintaining a mindset of gratitude can lead to a deeper appreciation for life and its blessings. By focusing on the positive aspects of life, one can cultivate a sense of fulfillment and contentment. The host's second truth centers around the significance of prioritizing health in achieving greatness. He underscores the importance of maintaining physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being as a foundation for success and fulfillment. By taking care of one's health, the host believes that individuals can navigate life with more ease and energy, ultimately contributing to their overall sense of greatness. The host's third truth revolves around the concept of living in service to others as a pathway to greatness. He highlights the value of being a great listener and communicator, as well as the impact of serving others in building deeper relationships. By focusing on how one can contribute to the well-being of those around them, the host believes that individuals can achieve greatness through acts of kindness and service. In conclusion, the podcast delves into the definition of greatness as shared by Duhigg. He believes that true greatness is reflected in the way people remember and appreciate someone after they have passed away. He emphasizes the importance of leaving a positive impact on others and being remembered for bringing joy and positivity into their lives. He suggests that the ultimate measure of greatness lies in the lasting impression one leaves on those around them.